Hey, what's up guys, Liam back here today, and we're going to be doing something a little bit different. All right, we're going to be doing some Twitch tips, and I'm doing Twitch tips because I always get asked the question of, like, how do I grow my stream, how do I get followers and stuff like that. So I thought I would just do this video to help those people out, and maybe even some people that are, like, established on Twitch. You I might say something here that you might not know or whatever. But either way, I hope it does help you. If it does, please leave a like, that'd be greatly appreciated, and also subscribe if you're new. But we're gonna get on and start the video because this is what you're all here for, so let's get on with it, shall we? So the first thing you want to cover, right, is ask yourself, why do you want to stream? Like, why do you want to start streaming? Now, is it for money? Is it for fame? Is it to build a community? Is it to help your anxiety? It could be all sorts of things. So make sure you ask yourself that thing first. Now, if money is the first thing that pops in your head, you need to change that straight away, all right? Because you are not going to make money off Twitch like that. All right, this doesn't work like that, because it's just Twitch doesn't work like that, and money should not be your first thought, because obviously money is there. It's going to be in everyone's kind of thoughts, and it's just going to be that it's just going to be there. So you just got to think to yourself, you got to stream for the right reasons. So make sure money is not your first priority reason, your only reason, right? So for example, for myself, I started streaming because I wanted to build a community of people. I wanted to build something that people could feel like, they could go to, and build like a nice little community of people, and to help. Actually, to be honest, it helps me in a way, because it helps my anxiety, stress, and stuff like that. So it helps keep me grounded, and it's helped me a lot in real life. Make sure when you're starting streaming, not have money as your first thought, because it's not going to go well for you, trust me. But the second thing we're going to go on to is called, what games do you stream, or what do you stream in general? Okay, so this could be, for example, it could be IRL vlogs, it could be art, it could be games, it could be anything you want, belly dancing, anything you want, all right? But what I would say is, if you're going to be doing games, make sure you start off, right, this is just a start off, mind, because when you start off on Twitch, you don't want to just go straight into like the first game that's on the platform. For example, I don't know, say some League of Legends or something like that straight away. You want to start off, I feel, just to start off. This is not like full time or anything, but build your community up by going down the list a bit, playing games that are a little bit less popular, and just play the games there. And make sure you enjoy them, obviously, because if you don't enjoy them, then people are going to see that. All right, they're going to see that. So make sure you enjoy the game. Just make sure it's a little bit down the list. All right, just scroll down a little bit. Make sure it's not too many top, like, massive streamers in there, and just try and build a little community from there. And once you get a few regulars in, then you can kind of start dipping into other games and stuff. But to add on to this, really, it depends on what you kind of want to stream. Do you want to like stream one game? Do you want to stream multiple games? It could be like a variety streamer or a straight game streamer. You know what I mean? But it's kind of, if you stream one game, you're probably gonna grow quicker in ways, but also if you have variety, you're not going to grow as quick, but you're going to kind of like play what you want, kind of thing. And I want to get into that in a minute, but it's kind of a choice you have to make in order to, like, want to go variety route, or do you want to go down this route, like say just play Call of Duty all the time or something, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of a route that we'd want to do. Would you want to do the variety route, or would you want to do a single game route? So it's kind of, I've done both, really, actually, because I used to play GTA a lot. GTA 5, I built a lot of community off. So I played that game for a solid, like, I don't know, I think it was like a year or so. And I built quite a few followers from that. I then switched from there to Forza. And then I played that for ages, got a lot of followers off of that. And then now I'm playing, at the moment I'm playing Warzone, because I enjoy that. And plus people can join in and stuff like that. And it seems to go down quite well. And we have like community days on Fridays and stuff like that. But it's kind of a choice you want to make. So if you want to do like variety streaming, then it's going to take a longer time to kind of build your audience. But over time, obviously, you'll be able to build your audience, but it just takes a longer time. What I will say, though, is for this third tip, I'm going to say, make content elsewhere to be discoverable all the time. All right. So Twitch's discoverability is not the best. Right. It's not the best. And we can all say that, because YouTube's discoverability is much better in the ways of, you can post a video and it's discoverable 24/7. For example, you're watching this video right now, yeah, and I'm not even live streaming it. It's there for people to find when I'm offline, and it's there to people to always watch. You know what I mean? So make sure you make content elsewhere. For example, you can stream on Twitch, right? And the days you're not streaming, you can make content on YouTube, TikTok. You can make content for Twitter, Instagram. So just basically just spread as much as yourself out as you can. So make sure you make content elsewhere. So for example, I'm doing Twitch, a bit of TikTok, not much of it. I've got to get in the swing of that, and YouTube. So I'm just like, I'm spreading myself out a bit. So I'm just trying to kind of make sure the content's out there all the time, so I'm discoverable all the time. And it does help because you do get followers whilst you're offline, and you do actually make new regulars in chats as well. I've had people from YouTube come in and whatnot and say, you know, from my videos, whatever, like whatnot, and they've come in and they've stayed and they've had a chat and stuff. So it does work. It just will take some time to do. So you just don't expect immediate growth. The way you grow on social media is by keeping at it and don't stop. And just obviously if you need a mental health break, then that's fair. But if you just need to keep constant at it, don't stop. And if you get like in a low pit of like, say, no viewers, or you're getting low numbers, just take a step back and have a rethink of what content you'd like to do, or have a rethink of what content you can try. Because I mean, you can always try different things, you know, because it's the way you kind of get in the swing of things. Like on YouTube, I've tried a few things and I'm still getting to the swing of things of like, of what I want to like go down, like what path I want to do and all that stuff. So make sure you do explore your options. Don't think like, oh, I'm not going to do that video because that would be crap. Just do the video, right? See how it goes, because you never know. That might be the start of something new. So don't think to yourself, oh, it's going to be a crap video. It's going to be this, that. Just do it, right? Because trust me, you will learn over time. If you go back on my channel, right, have a look at my older videos. You'll see how far I've come from there to now. Right, and I'm not saying that I'm amazing or anything, but you'll see the difference. If I didn't do any of those videos, then I wouldn't be here where I am right now. So I'm just saying, so make sure you don't say a no to all the videos, all right? Make sure you do it and have a go at it at least. Now, number 4 is a little bit of a Twitter tip, really. If you're going to be doing Twitter and stuff, make sure that you're not plastering your Twitch links all over Twitter all the time, because people will not want to follow that. Trust me, they won't want to follow. I'm not saying it's wrong to post out you're going live, because everyone does it. But just try to make it so you're not plastering it all the time. So have like a pinned tweet of where you are, when you're live and whatnot, and where people can find you. And then maybe, like, say if you're doing like a charity stream or something, you can tweet out a special event, or tweet out like maybe once or twice a week or something like that. So make sure it's not all the time, because trust me, if it's plastered over Twitter, no one's going to want to follow you. Honestly, it's not going to work like that. You want to like just strategically do it. Don't plaster your Twitch all the time. All right, make sure you do other tweets in between, so you space it out. All right, space it out. That's what I'm saying. Space out your stuff. So this tip's really about gear, and people that want upgrades like cameras, lights, monitors, seats, etc. All right, so I will give you a tip. When you're starting out streaming, don't go fully in buying like, say, a massive amount of equipment, like say a £200 camera, a massive microphone, or stuff like that. Don't do that straight away. Start off smaller and build yourself up, because the reason why I say that is because think about this. You started streaming out. You just spent £500 on a camera, lights, microphone, a monitor. Like, you know, you spent all that money on it. And it comes to 6 months of streaming and you're not liking it. That money's gone to waste. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, with the upgrades, just make sure you do start off smaller and build yourself up, because you don't want to be spending all that money and losing out. All right, that's what I'm gonna say on that. So the thing that kind of goes with that is I'm gonna be talking about like overlays and stuff, because people tend to like they overlook overlays. You know what I mean? People kind of just think, oh, I'll just get that overlay and plonk that on there. Now, I mean, that's fine. That's fine to do that. But I would recommend maybe getting something done custom if you can afford it. If you can't afford it, that's completely understandable. You can always get a package or something off of is it owned.tv? Whatever it is, is it own.tv? Yeah, and there's also other sites, so I'll put those in the description in case you want to see those. But if you do have like, say, a spare bit of money, like say 10, 20 pounds or something, or dollars, you can go on Fiverr. Now there's a link in the description below. You can go on Fiverr, search Twitch overlays in there, and there's plenty of artists on there that can do yourself a custom package. All right, custom overlays for your own, so you're not like looking like anyone else, so it's your own custom one. So make sure, like, if you've got the money, or you've got a spare bit of money, use it to do some overlays and build up your brand and stuff like that, man. It's definitely a thing that's helped me a lot, because I've had a couple logos over the time, and spending like giving some money to artists to do it other than myself, because I like to have someone else's vision on stuff, you know, like a bit of their flair. So make sure like you kind of explore your options. Obviously don't go out straight away doing all that stuff, but if you've got a spare 10-20 pounds, get yourself a little logo done or an overlay. You know, it will go a long way. It will definitely go a long way because people will remember it. But it's definitely a thing to like look into if you can afford it. If not, as I said, there's plenty of free packages you can get and to put on your stream to make it look a little bit better than the general just like camera game. That's it. All right. So just bear it in mind. On the alert side of things, though, you don't really have to kind of get anyone to make them straight away or anything like that. You can always just go like, you know, for a GIF or something or whatever you want, like kind of a picture and there's a bit of noise, a bit of sound. You know, it doesn't need to be anything over the top, but I mean, over time, if you want to get your own custom ones, again, Fiverr is a great place to look. I've got quite a few things made on Fiverr of my own stuff, and it's definitely been worth it because it's kind of added a bit of flair to the stream and added a bit of uniqueness. But yeah, it's definitely worth looking into if you can. But as I said, if not, then GIFs work fine. I still use GIFs now. Yeah, just try and make it a bit unique to yourself. Add and make sure you add things that you would like yourself, not things that other people would like. Just like make sure you do something that you would like, you know, as well. For example, I have a raid alert that comes in with seals and stuff and plays a song, and I love it. I love it. It's great, but it's just make sure you add something that you're gonna like and it adds to your flavor. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, that will add like a kind of uniqueness to your stream because it's you at the end of the day. You're streaming, you're bringing the content, so it's you. But to quickly add to the gear stuff as well, sorry, I forgot to add this. Make sure that when you're doing things, make sure I feel people tend to feel that mic and camera are 50-50. Really, it's microphone 70, camera 30, because people want to hear you clear over seeing you clearly, because that's how it is on Twitch, right? So just gonna put that in there. So I'm gonna get onto this topic, and it's about numbers, right? So don't focus on numbers, because if you focus on numbers, it's not gonna go well. Right, because you're starting off streaming, you don't want to focus on numbers. I cover my view count still, and I do that now, and it's kind of a thing where you can get discouraged by it, but just think to yourself, right? You're streaming to an audience that's not talking back to you, they're just listening. Okay, so just think about that, all right, and just think that you're streaming to an audience like that, because if you have that mindset, then you will go very far, you know, with things like that, because you don't want to keep looking at numbers. You don't want to keep looking at like, you know, oh, I've only got 1 viewer, 2 viewers. Get a couple friends in your game. Have a laugh, have fun. You know, that's what it's about. That's what streaming is about. Having a laugh, having a fun time, and having a good time. You know what I mean? So make sure you don't look at numbers. All right, have fun, and just have a laugh, man. Have a laugh. It's the best thing to do. All right, best thing to do. Now, number 7 is a bit of a touchy subject, I feel. But I get a lot of people, right, and it's fine. Honestly, it's fine. I get a lot of people come in and they say, oh, I need a follower. I'm nerdy affiliate. That's all I hear. Affiliate. Everywhere. That's all I hear, right? Affiliate is great. Twitch has done a great thing with affiliate. It's amazing. The only issue I find with affiliate is that people seem to get blind by affiliate. They seem to think, oh, I get this. I've made it. I'm going to make money. Loads of money. Doesn't work like that. Make affiliate one of your other priorities, all right? Other priorities. When I say that, I mean you got your community up here, right? And then you got like your brand and your logo and stuff. Then you got affiliate down here. That's what I mean, all right? So make sure affiliate is not your number 1 goal, all right? Because it's not the end of the game. It's not even like that. It's not even the bloody start. Let's get real there. You got 50 followers and so many average viewers and so on. It's great to get, don't get me wrong, but just to remember that affiliate will not make you money like that. All right? It won't do it, because I started streaming on Twitch before affiliate was around. I was streaming on Twitch when it was just streaming and building an audience, stuff like that. So make sure you don't have affiliate as your only goal. All right? You got many more goals you can go for, little mini goals you can go for. For example, like, oh, I want to earn, say, 10 followers this month, or something small, something for yourself to work towards, you know. And I just feel like affiliate kind of blinds a lot of people, and it kind of makes people just want to just go for Twitch affiliate and get money. That's how it feels. Honestly, there's a lot of people that don't, but there's a lot of people that do. So just make sure affiliate is not your main kind of drive. All right, make sure of that, because people do get blind. It's the same with Twitch Partner. People get blind with Twitch Partner. Twitch Partner is not the end of the road. It is another stepping stone in your streaming career. And it's a thing of where it's good to have, because obviously you get check mark, you get stuff like that and whatnot, more emotes, etc. But again, it's not the end of the road. It's another stepping stone which you've made towards, and it should not be the main focus of your content. So I want to make this little point as well, because not many people do cover it. Schedules, all right? Schedules. You need to get like a little schedule, not like a strict one. For example, you could do like, say, oh, I'm going to stream Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, right? Say, don't even give a time, right? Just make those days your streaming days, for example. That's just, doesn't have to be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, but it can be anything you want. Just make it so like you have those days set for streaming. Don't have to be a time. Just get used to how streaming works and how it goes. And just build a little schedule for yourself, and just to see how you feel streaming and on those certain days, and how you kind of feel with it. Because if you make a schedule, then people will know when you're live, and it makes things easier for you, because then you can plan around your stream. You can plan things and whatnot. So just make sure you have like a little schedule for things, like even like posting YouTube videos, maybe like every Thursday or every Saturday or something. So for example, I upload every Saturday on my YouTube channel. So it's kind of like a little schedule. I have Monday, Wednesday, Friday for Twitch, Saturdays for YouTube, Tuesday I record videos, Thursday I edit, and so on. So I'm starting off slower with YouTube, but I'm building that up. So just have a little bit of a slack schedule and build up on it. Yeah, my advice, I've been streaming for about 5 years. Got 6K followers nearly on Twitch. I've learned a lot over the years, and I'm still learning every single day. So this is just my little bit of advice to everyone who's just starting out on Twitch and whatnot. But please do stick with what you're doing. If you're enjoying Twitch, it's gonna have tough roads. You're gonna have down peaks. You're gonna have massive up peaks. It's a constant road and constant battle, but just keep at it. It is worth, trust me, because Twitch has in a way, it saved my life, you know, in ways. And it's been a massive road, and I'm not even like halfway down the road. You know what I mean? So just keep at it, keep going, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you have, leave a like, that'd be greatly appreciated. And I do stream over on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, as I said earlier. Make sure you give the Twitch channel a follow. Have a chat over there. We do just chat and whatnot. We can also talk about like Twitch and the growth and stuff like that. So I'm always down to talk about things like that. But either way, I love your faces. Take care, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.